In this video, we'll go from this to this using this. So Auxito was nice enough to send me these lights in lieu of an honest review. So now I'm going to install these on my 2002 Thunderbird and replace out the halogen bulbs that are in there. Been kind of wanting to do this, so here we go. We got the opportunity. Okay, so to replace the bulbs themselves is pretty easy. There's a little ring inside of here that you turn and loosen right there, and then you pull it out and unplug it, lift this little clip up and unplug it. I do have a video showing the replacement of the entire assembly from when I upgraded those, and I did not do the bulbs at that time. So there we go. Goodness. It's not going to come out. Don't break these things. There we go. Good grief. And be careful not to have that happen. Great. That's impressive. It actually came some knobs there. So I guess since it has them, I'll go ahead and put them on. With halogen, it's always good not to touch the bulb. Yeah, with halogens, you definitely don't want to touch the bulb itself. I guess they don't want you to touch it with the LEDs either. Okay, slip the old ring off. Put it on there. You know what? I think I'm going to put the ring... No, I'm not. No, I'm good. Thank you.
Good job. Right there. Right. Good job, Dave.
Thank you, Ruby.
Hi, where are you going? Oh. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, turn that little ring in there and I'll plug it in. This is where I wish I did this at night so I could do a side-by-side comparison. There's the daytime side-by-side comparison. Now let's go ahead and do the other side. We'll turn the lights off real quick. Okay, again, same thing on this side. Unplug it. I won't break this one. Or maybe I will. Okay, got that unplugged. Oh my goodness. There we go.
There we go. Got the old one out. I'm assuming your car's the same, but I'm on this part right here goes up. And this piece slides on like that. There we go. Felt the clicks, and you probably heard them. Let's plug this back in. Okay, there we go with the lights in. Now the big question is, do I replace fogs down there with LEDs or just leave it like this? Alright, so next I just need to wait for it to become nighttime to see how it looks at night. Oh yeah, way better. Brights, regular. Much better.
Okay, final impressions. I did not have any issues with the CAN bus returning a false headlight out issue, and I did not have any issues with flickering either. Now, of course, yours may vary depending on your alternator setup, how well the car's wired, grounded, etc. But on this one, that gave me no issues. So one thing I did notice while looking at the website is it does show that it's off-road use. I'm guessing they probably don't have Department of Transportation certification on these just yet. Hopefully they will. So down in the description, there will be a link to Auxito. And if you use that link, use the code 2keys, the number 2, and then KEYS, and that'll get you 15% off your order. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.